Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super, an upcoming upgrade for the Tecno Spark Go 2020 for that set to take smartphone displays to the next level. That's right, we're talking about replacing the traditional LCD screen with a more advanced display technology. You're going to want to stick around for this one. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about this upgrade? Well, first off, we're looking at a major leap in display quality. A better display means a more immersive experience when you're gaming, watching videos, or even just scrolling through your social media feed. User experience impact. And that's not all. This upgrade is also going to have a big impact on the overall user experience. We're talking about more responsive touch sensitivity and a smoother refresh rate comparison to older displays. To put things into perspective, let's quickly compare this new display to the older screens we're used to seeing on budget. LCD screens have served us, but they've always had limitations, especially when it comes to viewing angles, color accuracy, and brightness. The newer display technology solves most of these issues. Battery efficiency. Another huge benefit to this upgrade. It's more power efficient. The new display technology uses less battery compared to traditional LCDs, which means longer usage times without constantly worrying about charging. Build quality and durability. Now, one thing we haven't touched on yet is build quality. Tecno has always been reliable in delivering budget-friendly devices that don't skimp on durability. The Tecno Spark Go 2024 is expected to come with reinforced glass protection for this upgraded display. Is this a game changer for budget smartphones? Honestly, this could be a real game changer for budget smartphones. Tecno is offering advanced features that are usually reserved for mid-range or flagship devices, all at an affordable price point. And that's what makes the Tecno Spark Go 2020 for such a big deal. It's raising the bar for what we should expect from phones in 2024 and beyond. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone or are just curious about where display is headed in the budget segment, the Tecno Spark Go 2020 is definitely worth keeping on your radar. With this new display upgrade, we can safely say the smartphone experience is about to get a whole. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. What do you think of this display upgrade? Will it change the way you view budget phones? Let's chat below. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.